welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a mukbang. I'm extremely hungry. I didn't feel like cooking today, so I decided to get me some chicken wings, extra crispy from the Chinese restaurant, and I got me a side of rice. This is pork fried rice, so I can't wait to dig in. I got me a homemade iced tea. I love this from them. And I got the sweet and sour sauce. And of course, I got my Tabasco sauce to go with the chicken. I always have to have some type of hot sauce. So yeah, I'm not gonna eat all of this. I just want to have it for the video. But can you see? Yeah, I'm so mad. Like, I don't have my extension cord, like the stuff to hook up on the ring light, like my light. So I don't really have any light. So this should be good for now, honestly. Like, I think this is good. Enough light in here. But yeah, let's dig in because I'm extremely hungry. And we're gonna try. I got my wings cut up. I like to get my chicken wings cut up. So yeah, I hope I'm not talking too soft, but yeah, let's dig in. I'm not gonna be doing too much talking because your girl is hungry. This is actually my first time tasting that sauce. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. It's a sweet and sour sauce. I might have to put this Tabasco sauce on it because, child, I don't know if I like that sauce. But this is very popular on YouTube, so I wanted to give it a try. I need to get a fork, so I'll be back. Sour sauce, it tastes way better. It tastes way better. So I'm about to put some of this this rice on my plate. Guys, I'm not eating all of this, so please don't be like, oh my gosh, she mad fat. Listen, I'm skinny. I need to be gaining weight. Okay? So, yeah. Rice is good. I need some duck sauce on it, though. So, I'm trying to put out some content very soon because I'm supposed to be going on vacation. So I'm gonna be vlogging my vacation, but I'm not gonna be uploading it until I get back to New York because I'm not trying to edit anything on my vacation. I want it to be very relaxing. I already be doing a lot of work, so I just want to have a very relaxing vacation for my birthday. If you hear my daughter and the toys and stuff, she's wide awake. Usually, I don't really like eating the drums, but I'm so hungry. Okay. Now that I keep eating the sauce, I'm liking it now. I really wish I had my ring light because it wouldn't be so dark. But whatever. I need to get put this aside because I don't wanna I'm gonna try to I love when my fried chicken is extra crispy. So I'm gonna put my juice over here. Put that hot sauce on there. Bomb. This is good. Now I'm enjoying it. You hear my daughter? As soon as I'm done doing this, eating, I'm gonna read to her, feed her. Same time, get ready for bed. This rice is really good. I love rice. It's lit or whatever. I love me some flats. Love me some flats. You could never go wrong with flats. You heard? I'm gonna try to get this video out as soon as I can. I'm so excited for my vacation, my birthday. Like, it's very well needed. School's been very stressful. I'm trying to get content out, trying to get clients, you know, stuff like that. It's been very stressful. I need a relaxed vacation where I can sleep in. You know, this stuff like Mmm. 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 I love me some food. I love to eat. I love to eat. Mm-hmm. Honestly, I'm gonna leave the drumsticks for my baby father, my boyfriend. You heard? I don't know these. I hate when I see hair on chicken. Like it annoys me. Like clean that shit off. Excuse me. I'm gonna have some more rice though, but I'm gonna have it off camera because I don't want the video to be too long. Hmm. You guys should try this. Sweet and sour sauce with some Tabasco sauce. Fire. So this is my last chicken wing. And then we out of here. Okay guys, we out of here after this chicken. This is really good with the sauce, hot sauce. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications, so every time I post a video, you'll get to see it. And who knows, you'll be the first to see it. So yeah, bye.